We all love tiffins. There are many famous dishes from Andhra Pradesh. So let's have a look at the top tiffins of Andhra. So first one is dosa. Dosa is the popular tiffin from South India. The main ingredients of dosa are urad dal and rice. There are different types of dosas prepared as such as masala dosa, paneer dosa, butter dosa and many more. The most liked one is the masala dosa. It is stuffed with mashed potato and served with sambar and chutney. The big dosa, also called as 70 dosa, can be shared with others. Idli. Idli is considered as healthy tiffin because it does not contain oil. Idli is prepared with a batter consisting of rava and urad dal. Idli is served with chutney and sambar. The different varieties of idli are sambar idli, rava idli and ragi idli. Idli podi is a spicy powder when accompanied with idli. Vada is a fried and crunchy tiffin. The main ingredients of vada are lentils, chili, onions, curry leaves. It is accompanied with chutney and sambar. It is look like a donut with a small hole at the center. The different kinds of vada served across the country. Mysore Bonda. Bonda is a round shaped fried snack. It is crunchy outside and soft from inside. It is prepared with flour, yogurt, and baking soda. Bonda is served with chutney. We can have bonda with tomato ketchup too. Upma. Upma is the easiest dish to prepare. The main ingredient of upma is wheat rava. We can add extra ingredients depending upon our choice. Upma is also called as upma, uppittu, and uppini across various places. Pesarattu. Pesarattu is similar to dosa and is famous in Andhra Pradesh. The main ingredient of pesarattu is green gram. It is tasty when served with tamarind chutney. We can add chopped onions and chilies to it. The other names of pesarattu are pesadosa and pesara attu. It can be eat with upma. Upma pesarattu is also famous in Andhra Pradesh. Puri. Puri is circular shaped stuff that is deep fried in oil. It is prepared with wheat flour or maida flour. Puri can be served with kurma, chutney, pickle, halwa or kheer. Puri is the most common item at the restaurants and events. Uttappam. Uttappam is the famous tiffin of Tamil Nadu. It looks like dosa, but it not crispy. It is soft, thick, and has different toppings on it. The ingredients include our rice flour and urad dal. It is served hot with chutney or pickle. Semia upma. Semia upma is similar to South Indian pasta. The main ingredient is vermicelli. Vermicelli can also be prepared by hand or you can directly buy from the stores. To make the dish tastier, we can add chopped vegetables like onions, tomatoes, and carrots. Garam masala can also be added if you prefer a spicy dish. Pulihora. Pulihora is the famous rice dish across South India. It can be prepared either with tamarind or lemon. Turmeric is added to the rice which makes it look attractive. This rice dish is served with all tiffin centers and temples. Pulihora is also called as lemon rice or tamarind rice. Chapati. Chapati is the most common breakfast across the country. It is prepared with wheat flour. There are other varieties in chapatis such as pulka, paratha, roti, and many more. Chapati is served with curry, curd, sugar, non-veg, jam, etc. Chapati is healthy as it provides proteins and fiber. Punugulu. Punugulu is the famous dish of Andhra. Punugulu is made from dosa batter. The other ingredients included chopped onions, coriander leaves, and green chilies. They are fried in oil. It is served with chutney and pickle. Rava dosa. Rava dosa is a kind of dosa with rava as it is main ingredient. The dosa is crispy when compared to normal dosa. Rava dosa can be highlighted with chopped onions and curry leaves. It is served with chutney and pickle. Ponganalu. Ponganalu is a traditional snack item of Andhra Pradesh. It is fluffy and smooth food item. It uses same ingredients as dosa. It is stuffed with onions, corn or coriander for taste. It is taken in combination with peanuts or podina chutney. Daddojanam. Dadhojanam is a traditional curd rice. It is famous across South India. It involves a simple process. The curd rice is seasoned with chopped green chilies, mustard seed, chopped curry leaves, and other spices. The rice is served across all different centers. It is mainly prepared for festival days.